In this video, we're going to try and understand why it is that when you log one thing multiplying with another thing, that's the same as you logging one thing add another thing. So for example, log base 2 8x. That's the same as log base 2 of one thing add log base 2 of the other thing. So we're going to try and understand why this is the case. So the trick to understanding this is to write x as x being equal to a log base a of x. So this can be anything. So for example, y can be written as, I don't have to use a, I can use anything, 3 log base 3 of y. This whole thing here is y, and for example, 2 log base 2 of 8, that is the same as the number 8, because if you think about it, this log base 2 of 8 is the number 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So when it comes to you understanding logs, always try and visualize this. So anything can be written as a to the power of log base a, and in a way these two, they cancel each other out in a way, and I'm expecting you to know this by now. So once you know this, you can understand why this is the same as these two added together. So rewrite x as this thing here, because we got log base a, rewrite as a to the power of something. If this is 3, then do it 3 log base 3 of x. So for example, hang on. So rewrite this as log base a, and then rewrite x as a log base a of x. This is the number x. Now times it with y. Rewrite y as a log base a of y. This is the number y. So you've got one thing times another thing. So now just looking at these two bubbles being multiplied together, remember x to the power of a times x to the power of b from indices. It was x to the power of a plus b, so you can add the two indices. So that's the same as you writing it as this. Log base a, and then add the two indices, So that would be a, and then add the two indices. That would be log base a x plus log base a of y. And notice that that these two are the same. Whenever they're the same, they're in a way they cancel each other out, leaving you with just the index. So that would be equal to log a x plus log a y, which is this thing here. So we started with this and we slowly moved to here. So now you can see that that's the same as you logging one thing plus logging the other. So the trick is to rewrite x as this, rewrite y as this, and then everything just works out. Everything works out, okay?